Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on the Toyota Prius Generation 2 2004 to 9 in 30 seconds. It's that easy, folks. Here we go. So the first thing you do, you open the glove box, you push in on the edges here, the little latches, and you pull that down like so, and then the box, push that, and then there's a wee strut right on the side here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a wee strut right there. You pull that out, then the box comes down. Now once you have that off, underneath here you pull these wee tabs. There's one on that side, one on this side, and you pull that out, and there is it. Look at that air filter. That is pretty bad. Okay, so what you do, you take that filter. That's what I've been breathing for the last year there. You toss that out, and actually I guess you gotta pull the wee tabs on the edges, and you slide that out. And man, that's quite dirty. Alright, so you got that one out. The next thing you do is you get these. A new one on Amazon. Okay, there it is in a box. I got the charcoal activated ones. On Amazon this was only about an extra $2 to get one with charcoal in there. It's supposed to stop the smell in the car. And then once you have that out, you take out your new filter. You take out your filter cover and you slide it in there like so. And I think, you know, it's worth it to spend an extra $1 or $2 for the charcoal activated one. Look at that, so clean. Let me just show you the comparison. This can be done in 30 seconds, I promise. Here's a new one. Look at that. That is full of dirt. Makes you wonder what the engine's breathing. Okay, so you take that, then you slide it back in here like I showed you before. Click. And you take your box and you put that back on the little tabs like so. And you push that up, these back in on the sides like that. Then you take your wee strut on the side, which I can't reach now. Okay, open that back up. Your wee strut, this is slid. So you want to make sure this is facing forward like that. You put the box back in, push the sides to the latch, take your wee strut, attach it back on the side. Okay, good. Now look, you're done. Air filter in 5 minutes. I'll put the link below to buy that charcoal one on Amazon for like $4. Why would you pay a dealer to do it? I don't understand. But I have a good one.